In this example, I'm going to be showing you how to create a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop. First of all, you want to create a new document. Go to Photoshop and you go to create new or YouTube thumbnail size. Let's just put it at anyway, if you don't know the YouTube thumbnail size, come over here to Google and you say what is the YouTube thumbnail size. So right here, Google's gonna give you a thumbnail size in pixel 1280 by 720. Alright, so you just come here in Photoshop, go to create new. So you just say 1280 by 720. Alright. You just create. So here we are. This is our YouTube thumbnail size, our actual size. Just go ahead and create a solid color. And in this case, we'll be using our model right here. Just go ahead and click on this and drag it to a new document. Paste it here and you go ahead and resize it. Click on the type tool. Click on the type tool and we're just going to type in something here. Just gonna say learn design skills. Alright, go ahead and change the color to black. Hit OK. And we just want to change our font right here. I'm going to be using this bold font. I'm going to be using this bold font right here. Increase our font size to like so. So this design, I want to make it another color or another font. Just go ahead and cut it out. Paste it here. And you change the font to this one right here. Click OK. drag it to the center. Do the same for the scales. In this case, I want to use something smaller and thinner. Like this one right here. Alright, so we can place our text differently. Alright, this is looking cool already. Go ahead and change this to white. And you just want to go ahead and change this one already here too. Like this yellow right here. Make it yellow or green or whatever. Alright, in this case, I'm just gonna make it a red. I'm gonna give it a red. Okay. Learn design skills. Here, just stretch this text to fill in on this one right here. Just gonna stretch it a little bit. Like so. Click OK. And this empty space right here, I want to fill it with something. So I'll just go ahead and I'll make like a box right here, a rectangle. Alright. Make it black. And set the stroke to no stroke. And you hit OK. Okay, you just want to drag this another text here. Change this to white. And you just want to write something like skill learn. You can just go ahead, make this bold a little bit. Okay, that looks cool. When you're done, just click all of this layer and you want to place it here. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this, give this a yellow color. I'm just gonna give this a red color. I'm just gonna write something like export, export as. You can just export as PNG. This will give you a file high quality. Alright, and you just hit export right here. Choose the location. In this case, I'll be saving on my desktop, and you click OK. So this is the design right here. As you can see, it's very high quality. This can be uploaded on YouTube. So guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you like it. So see you on the next one.